Let's see. No, this is wait a minute now. Trying to remember. I think this is right field. Cool, Ian. Old Fenway Park. There's a green monster.
It's a small park.
Yeah, it is. I told you.
That's what I said. I know you just said big. No, I said, why did they make it so big? I said, it's not the wall, but the park. You go down there?
Fenway Park.
I doubt it.
See how over here? See how it goes in the corner, Ian? How the how it juts out like the bullpen.